Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get free 10 gig in every single day. All what you have to do right now is just to stick with me to the end of this video, as I'm going to be dropping the step-by-step ways on how this can be achieved. Now the first thing we are going to do is head on to your Play Store and download this particular application. Go to your Play Store and type reach out. It's going to bring you to this interface. This is telling me open. It's because I've downloaded it on my Play Store. So if you have not downloaded it, just click on install and now click open. If you click open, it's gonna bring you to this interface. Can you see secure messaging and call? Works without any active data plan. This is available in Nigeria and Kenya. Okay. Now you are going to input your phone number. Okay, let me input my phone number. Click on verify number. They are going to send you a code to a particular number you input. Okay, they have sent me the code. Verifying. Okay, now it brought me to this interface, a preferred name or notice. Click proceed. Okay, profile successful. And this, if you have a referral code, enter it. This is important. If you paste a particular referral code, they are going to give you a 500 MB instantly. So let me input a referral code. I'm going to put in the referral code in this video's description. So 17EA78F07358. So if you are copying this particular referral code, please be careful and watch. So click on continue. Okay, I see. I've been credited 0.5 MB instantly. Can you see it? 0.5 gig, which is 500 MB. Now, I've been credited. Can you see a message from this particular application? You have been credited with 500 MB of zero data to use. Go to setting and tap on zero data. Can you see instantly, because you use this particular referral code? Anyone that uses your referral code is gonna be getting 500 MB instantly. So let's head on to where we are going. We are going to 10 gig every single day. So now let me show you how to check your data. So head on to setting. Go to zero data. This is zero data. Can you see you have data balance you have is 0.5 gig, which is equivalent to 500 MB. You're welcome, bonus data. So now in this, can you see they sent us a message here? Said, okay, loading. They said your data, your rules, enjoy free data on Reach Out this new way. Refer and earn 1 gig data for every successful referral today. Do you understand what this means? This means if you refer one person, you are going to be getting 1 gig of data. Which means if you refer 10 person today, you are getting 10 gig of data. So now, let me show you how you can refer person from here, how you can copy your referral link. So go to setting, go to refer a friend, then copy your referral code. You may refer it to your WhatsApp or anyone. So now, I'm going to be showing you how you can self-refer yourself. In case you don't have much friends, you can be sharing this too. I can show you how you can self-refer yourself. Which means maybe you have a lot of SIMs, or you can use your mom's SIM, dad's SIM, your sister's SIM. So if you want to self-refer yourself, head on back to your Play Store. Download this particular application. Multi-choice. Type multi-choice. Multi-space. So this is gonna bring you to this particular interface. Multi-space. Install it, and this is my multi-space app. You click on the application and you click on the plus sign. Can you see this plus sign? Click on it. Click on it, and can you see add multi-space? Click on reach out that we are using, and you are going to click on clone. So you have cloned reach out. You see that I've cloned one before, and you have cloned another one. So the reach out we clone, if you click on it, it's gonna start afresh from new application. Which means if you have another SIM card, you are just gonna input the particular number and verify it, you are going to be getting 1 gig, and that person is going to be getting 500 MB, which means if you are the one that have the 2 SIM card, you are getting 1.5 gig at once. But let's just assume you are not the owner of the SIM card, you are just getting 1 gig. That's cool, right? So now that's why you should not miss this. I'm going to put the referral code in the description below. So check the video description, you're going to be seeing the referral code so that you can get your 500 MB instantly. So you can do this. When you open this application, just go to your setting, copy your referral link and send it to 10 people. Any 10 people that successfully create an account on this application, you're going to be getting 10 gig just in one single day. So now we do this today, and you also send it to another 10 people tomorrow. That is 20 gig. So that is unlimited data. So now, if you're getting any value from this content, kindly subscribe and smash the notification button. When I drop a valuable content like this one you just watch right now, YouTube is going to notify you. Thanks for subscribing. So guys, the last step is now to connect this zero data to our phone, which means that we can be using it. So let me show you guys on how to connect it to your SIM card, and you can be using it for free. All the data that you have been collecting, you can use it. Now we see our 0.5 gig bonus data, so let's use that one to connect it. So now head on to setting. So can you see zero data, 0.5 gig, tap to connect. So here now, can you see it brought me to this interface? Data free mode is off, which means we have not connected. So now, if you want to connect to this data, you have to have at least 50 MB or 100 MB to connect to this data. So now tap on connect. Okay. So when you tap on connect, it's gonna bring me to this interface. Loading. Can you see right now? You are now browsing data free, which means it has connected. If you connect the zero data from the reach out app, if it does not bring you to this interface, that means it does not connect. So you understand, guys, that is the last method. So refer this to 10 people and get your 10 gig every single day. If you refer it to 10 people today and successfully create the reach out account, you get your 10 gig. The next following day, you refer it to 10 people, your 10 gig is it for you. And this data, I can use it for anything. So let me add on to my YouTube channel. I can use it to watch YouTube, download music, download films, anything and so on. This is my YouTube. Can you see? It's loading. I can use it to watch a lot of movie and loading fast with the 0.5 MB. Now assume you are having like 10 gig. See how fast it's going to be loading. I can use it to download a lot of films. Understand? I can go to anywhere, Google, and so on and so forth. So guys, if you get any value from this content you have watched, you kindly subscribe and smash the notification button. When I drop a valuable content like this one you have watched right now, YouTube is going to notify you. Thanks for subscribing. And if you want to know more on how to make money online, this video showing up right here is for you. Affiliate marketing. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing and you want to be a pro in affiliate marketing, this video is for you. And you want to know how to earn money online, this video is for you. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.